Have you ever watched an AI in a game and wondered how it gets so good? You know, how it goes from totally clueless to making brilliant moves? Well, it's not magic. It's all about learning a strategy. And today, we are going to break down the two concepts at the absolute heart of it all: policies and value functions.
So yeah, this is the big question, right? How does a video game character learn to perfectly navigate a maze? Or how does a robot arm figure out exactly how to pick up an object it's never seen before? It has to learn how to go from just random fumbling to making smart, intentional choices. And that's exactly what we're going to unpack. But before we get into the how an AI learns, we really need to understand the why. Why do we even need these fancy concepts in the first place? Well, it's because learning is hard. And AIs face this really fundamental problem. Just think about it for a second. The move an AI makes right now might not actually show its true benefit until way, way later. The consequences are delayed. So the AI is always in this tricky spot. Does it stick with a strategy that it knows is pretty good, exploit what it knows? Or does it try something new, something risky that might be way better? In other words, explore. Because remember, the goal isn't just to get one small win. It's to get the biggest total reward possible over the long haul. And for that, you need a seriously clever strategy. Okay, so to make all of this super intuitive, we're going to use an analogy that I think we all get: a smart GPS. No, seriously, it is the absolute perfect way to understand how all of this works. So just picture this. You are behind the wheel, you're the driver, and you're trying to get to your destination. The city, with all its streets, traffic, and stoplights, that's the world the AI has to deal with. This simple little scenario has all the pieces we need. All right, let's map this out so it's crystal clear. In the lingo of reinforcement learning, you, the driver, are the agent. The city is the environment. Your current location, say an intersection, that's your state. A turn you make is an action, and that feeling of getting closer to your destination, well, that's the reward. Makes sense, right? Okay, so we've got our analogies set. Now we can finally dive into the two big ideas, the policy and the value function. Let's see exactly how each one shows up during our drive across town. So here's the difference in a nutshell. The policy, that's the plan. It tells you exactly what to do. The value function, on the other hand, is the prediction. It tells you how good your current situation is. For our GPS, the policy is the literal turn-by-turn directions. And the value, well, that's the number we're all staring at, the estimated time of arrival, the ETA. So let's dig just a little deeper into the policy. You'll often see it represented by the Greek letter pi. And really, it's just the AI's strategy. It's a rule book that says, when you're in this situation, you take that action. Simple as that. Exactly. It really is the brain, or maybe the decision-making engine. The policy doesn't worry about why a choice is a good idea, it just executes the plan. If the state is at this intersection, the policy's job is to say, action, turn left. That's all it does. And that brings it right back to our car. You're at the corner of 5th and Main. That's your state. The policy is that voice from your phone saying, turn right. It is the direct, concrete instruction. Okay, so if the policy is the what, then the value function is the why. It's a scorekeeper. It looks at where you are right now and tries to predict the total future reward you're going to get from that point forward. It's all about judging the long-term potential of your current situation. So what's the value of being at this intersection right now? Well, according to the GPS, it's 12 minutes. That ETA is a perfect real-world value function. It takes everything about the future, potential traffic, red lights, speed limits, and boils it all down into one single number that tells you how good your current state is. An intersection that's 12 minutes away is obviously way better. It has a much higher value than one that's 45 minutes away. So how does an AI even calculate a number like that? Well, a lot of the time it uses a really cool idea called the Bellman equation. Now don't worry, we are not getting into the math, but the core idea is actually beautiful. All it really says is that the value of where you are right now is just the immediate reward you get from moving, plus the value of the next spot you end up in. It creates this awesome chain, linking the value of one place to the next, which lets the AI see far into the future. So we've got the plan, that's the policy, and we've got the prediction, that's the value function. But the real magic happens when you see how they work together. This is the loop where the AI actually starts to get smart. This is it, the engine of learning. It's a cycle that just keeps going. First, the AI tries out a policy. Our GPS suggests a route. Next, it figures out the values for that route. It calculates the ETA from every single intersection. Then, and this is the key part, it looks for a way to improve. It asks, hey, is there a turn I can make that would get me to a spot with a better value, a lower ETA? If the answer is yes, it updates the policy with that new, better turn, and the whole process starts over again. And it just does this over and over and over. Evaluate the plan, then improve the plan. Each time through the loop, the policy gets just a little bit smarter. And the ultimate goal is to find what's called the optimal policy. That's the perfect strategy, the one that guarantees the best possible outcome. For our GPS, that's the absolute fastest possible route, no question. And this is how they're connected. The value function is like a critic, judging how good the current plan is. And the policy is like an actor, taking that critique and using it to get better. The ETA tells the GPS if its route is any good, and the GPS uses that feedback to find an even better one. Okay, so let's boil everything we just talked about down to one single memorable sentence. If you walk away with just one thing, this should be it. Here it is. Policies tell an AI what to do. They're the action plan. And value functions tell it why it's a good idea. They're the long-term prediction. One is the command, the other is the reason. And together, that's how an AI learns to make smart decisions.